Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo fire sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo fire sign. What are the messages for you? Tower. For some, you both are in separation right now. Especially you are going through a tower moment in recent past. So under the deck, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups and the Lovers and the Fool. For some, you are in separation with this person, but they are coming back with an apology. Yeah, someone is going to be text you. And Ace of Pentacles, new opportunities in career, especially stability in finances, Leo. And you are waiting for new beginnings with your person, long-term commitment. There is love between you and your person. The Lovers card is here. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. For some, there will be new beginnings. And at the same time, you will be in this energy, living in the present moment and going with the flow. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Tower, Knight of Swords and Page of Pentacles. Yeah, for some, there will you both were separated. For some, you both are in no contact situation. But there was some communication. Maybe you communicated them or they communicated with you. Yeah, there was some communication. And yeah, you were going through a lot due to this separation in past, especially. Now present, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. So you are juggling right now, Leo. There is no clarity. You are not getting clarity. Maybe they are not giving clarity to you. But Knight of Pentacles, right now the relationship between you and your person is very, very slow moving because Knight of Pentacles. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life. But here, one person is walked away. It could be you or your person. That's why the separation had happened. Yeah, maybe you or your person walked away from this connection and you're still juggling. Maybe you are not getting answer. You want clarity because here Two of Pentacles. You want clarity. Then future, Five of Swords, the Hierophant and Queen of Cups. Yeah, there are some issues regarding commitment because the Hierophant is marriage card. So maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe there are some arguments, misunderstandings between you and your person, but you still love them. Queen of Cups. You are very caring and loving person. You still love them. Maybe they walked away. Maybe you walked away from this connection, but you still have strong emotions towards your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Knight of Cups, Ten of Swords, the Star with Ace of Pentacles. Wow, I think you both are mirroring each other. They have romantic feelings towards you. Yeah, right now your person want rebirth in this connection and they still have hopes. And they want a brand. They are thinking about brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Leo. Okay, Queen of Cups, they do love you. But they are not talking to you. They are hot and cold with you. Right now they are isolated themselves and thinking everything in detail. Right now your person going through some transformation. Yes, they do love you, but they are not expressing. They are not willing to express because Queen of Swords not willing to talk, setting boundaries, but they're thinking about to communicate with you. Eight of Wands, lots of communication. Yes, right now your person may be stubborn. They do love you, but not expressing, but there is a chance for communication. They're thinking about to communicate. Yes, they want to take action. Wow, Ace of Swords. They want to give clarity to you. So let's see their intentions. Okay. Yeah, the Sun. Maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. And Two of Pentacles. They're juggling. They have some problems, maybe. They're juggling for some family, financial issues could be Queen of Pentacles regarding. And at the same time, in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. One person always taking care of the relationship, but the other person only taking, not giving in return. Yes, they want rebirth. For some, it was one type of ending between you and your person, but they want rebirth in this connection. Yes, they want to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles. Right now, they're realizing your worth. At the same time, still they are not getting clarity because they are juggling. That's why you are also juggling, because there is no clarity in this relationship right now. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Five of Cups. Yeah, they're missing you and they're obsessed with you. Yeah. For some, maybe this person is toxic for you because the devil, but they are thinking about new beginnings. So for some cases, the devil treated as obsession, some cases toxic person, but here I am seeing they're obsessed with you. And yeah, they want to say apology if they did hurt you. They want to text you, Ace of Pentacles. They're thinking about new beginnings with you. Right now, they're missing you so much. 3 of Swords. They are heartbroken. And you are taking your control back. You know how to control your emotions. 2 cards I am not taking. Queen of Pentacles. You are concentrating on your career, on your finances. Yes, you are taking care of your happiness. Yes. You know how to control your emotions. There is some big happiness is coming into your life and things will turn into your favor. Wheel of Fortune. So let's see mutual. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Virgo and Capricorn. Mutual. Yeah. One person treating other person as a option. Yeah, right now you both were in separation. But this cycle is going to be end very soon. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Maybe the separation cycle are going to be end because they are planning to communicate with you and at the same time they're obsessed with you. But there is no clarity in this connection. Yeah, they're missing you, they're obsessed with you, but you are taking your power back and you are concentrating on your finances. That is very good. So let's see some messages from your person end through the channel. You are pure perfection. I'm feeling sad without you. Third party involved. Player. And communication is coming. I want to be with you forever. So the messages are, I want to be with you forever. You are pure perfection. I'm feeling sad without you. Third party involved. Communication is coming and player. So these are the messages from your person end. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Step out of your comfort zone, not node. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, especially you are goal oriented, career oriented person, so this is the time for you. Step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently. And this is the message from universe. So let's see another message. And be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. So if you want to make a move towards your person and you are waiting for some clarity, from universe or from God. So this is the message: be bold and make the first move. Cardinal Moon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.